Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 3, We Care. Most of us are lucky to have enough food to eat. We go to good schools, have places to play in, and live in comfortable houses. Most of our needs are met. We enjoy birthdays, weddings, and festivals with our family, friends, and other people in our neighborhood. We are healthy and able bodied, but unfortunately, not everyone around us is. Some people may be poor, sick, or old. Some can't see, walk, or hear. These people need special care and attention. If we care for them and help them by doing small things like sharing our things with them, they will be happy and we will be able to fulfill some of their needs. We too will feel happy if we do so. It is in giving what we receive true happiness. If the people around us are happy, we feel happier and the world becomes a better place to live in. We can start by helping the people close to our homes and schools. This is our community. It is with this in mind that community service has been introduced in Vikram's school. The second Friday of each month has been allotted to class 3. Mrs. Sharma is in charge of their project work on community service. She has divided the class into 4 groups. Each group has a leader who assigns duties to his or her group. Each group has invited a few parents who have volunteered to join them. The blind school. Manav is the leader of the first group. They go to the blind school with biscuits, cakes, and sweets for the visually impaired children. The group was amazed to see how fast the children in that school read from books written in a special script called Braille. Braille is a system of reading and writing made for people who can't see. The system uses raised dots for letters of the alphabet and numbers on paper. People read by touching these raised dots with their fingers. The group has also observed that besides studies, the children at the blind school are good at many crafts, such as making colorful candles, artificial jewelry, and carving wood. Others at the school are good at singing, playing musical instrument. Manav visits the blind school even on weekends. He has volunteered with others in his group to write for the visually impaired children during their examinations. The old age home. Meera leads the group of children from her class who visit the old age home every month. Her group has prepared an entertainment program to cheer up the elderly people in the home. The people in the home have nurses to take care of their needs, but they look forward to the visits from these lively children. The last time they visited, the children had read out stories and listened to interesting things the elders wanted to share with them. Meera told the old ladies about the things they had done since their last visit. Neetu wrote letters for a few of the old ladies that they dictated to her, while Rohit helped Mrs. Natraj tidy his bookshelf. Rohit also brought along some books that his father wanted to donate to the library in the old age home. The children made a library card for Miss Mehta. The orphanage. Vikram's group will go to the orphanage behind the school. Children who do not have parents are known as orphans. The children participating in this project have done a marvelous job of collecting jams, pickles, sauce, fruits, and second-hand woolen cloths for the children at the orphanage. They have packed everything in hampers to give to the children. This group is also looking forward to presenting the children of the orphanage with notebooks and pencils. The students saved their pocket money for 2 months so that they could buy these items. Vikram's group has taken on the task of teaching the orphaned children every Monday for an hour after school. The children at the orphanage look forward to meeting their friends who bring so much happiness to their life. The Institute for People with Disabilities. The fourth group is under the leadership of Riaz. They are visiting the Institute for Children with Disabilities, located near the city hospital. These are children who can't use their arms and legs and bodies to the things you do. Riyadh's group has collected funds from their parents and neighbors to buy 2 wheelchairs and a new pair of crutches for 3 of the children at the institution. The children of this group have made thank you cards for the people who have donated towards this cause. Today, Riaz and his group plan to make a special fruit salad for the children and are carrying fruits with them. Community work is a regular part of the curriculum of children studying in class 3, and they have been doing a great job on their projects. The children learn to be helpful, cooperative, and caring towards members of the society. Everyone has a right to do well. People with disabilities can do very well if they are given a chance and a little help. You too can help with the project on community service, just like the ones you had just read about. You could also clean up the school garden, pick up all the litter, and clear the wild grass and weeds. The school gardener will really appreciate your help. So this is about the lesson Be Care. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Okay. Thank you.